Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set up or how to use or how to enable the screen of gestures in this device. This is very simple. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on additional settings. Then here you can see the option gestures and motions, tap on it. So here you can see screen of gestures, tap on this one. So we need to enable the option screen of gestures, and you will get the four default screen of gestures. Okay, I will show you. Double tap to wake up or turn off the screen. Okay, if it turn on this one, now I'm going to turn on this one. Draw O to off camera, then got it. Draw V to turn on torchlight or off V. Now I will show you how to work this one. Double tap O V. Now lock the device. Now I am going to make a double tap on the screen. You can see this wake up, turn off, wake up, turn off. Now draw O. You can see the camera is opened. You can see, right? Next, draw V. Yeah, now you can see the flashlight is turned on. Again draw V, it is turned off. Now at the bottom you can see some more options. Again go to settings, additional settings, screen of gestures and motions, screen of gestures. If you want more screen of gestures, you can see some 3 gestures. Draw this up arrow, draw M, draw W. You can customize these 3 operations also. If you tap on this one, you can select call or open app. Okay, so here I am going to select open app, and from the list of application you can select the application which application need to open. So simply here I am going to select photos, draw the up arrow. Okay, and if you tap on this one, draw M, you can select any option. Just here I am going to draw this, or I am going to turn on this only option, draw the up arrow, lock the screen. You can see the photos application is opened. You can see. Again I am going to show you, draw up arrow. You can see directly opened. So simply in this way you can set up the screen of gestures, and you can use the screen of gestures in this device. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.